This here is the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A Class. Now, this is an all-new model for Canada. This will be arriving in November 2018, and it'll replace the B Class, that's the current entry-level model for Mercedes-Benz in Canada. It's pretty exciting because, as you could tell, it's lower, wider than the B Class was, sportier looking, and it really will provide a more performance-oriented entry for Mercedes into the Canadian market. Now, the hatchback itself will still be exclusive to Canada. There will be an A-Class four-door sedan version coming. To start, will only come with one engine. This will be a development of the 2-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine, making 221 horsepower and 258 pounds-feet of torque. One of the best things about the new A-Class compared to the current B-Class is that it has an all-new interior with some real high-end equipment in here. So not only does it have the steering wheel from the S-Class, top-of-the-line S-Class model, but it also has an all-new, totally touchscreen and modernized twin touchscreen system. So Mercedes is calling it a new MB user experience, or MBUX, MBUX for short. And what it does is it now provides touchscreen access as well as touchscreen control at the bottom, getting rid of the controller wheel that we see so often in high-end German luxury cars. So this model will arrive in November 2018, as will an A-Class sedan. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but they've said it'll be just a little bit below the CLA, which currently in Canada starts at $36,000. So it's pretty exciting if you're a hot hatch fan, because when you look at the power, you look at the refinement, you're looking at something that could very easily be a hot hatch to rival a Volkswagen GTI power-wise, but with more luxury and refinement inside. For autotrader.ca, I'm Michael Bettencourt.